Have you ever thought of why push-ups are considered a must exercise in many fitness workout plans? The answer is simple. Push-ups are very promising in the way they work on various body muscles. Yes, we understand that push-ups were probably one of your least favorite exercises in your gym class. Maybe you were one of those people who wish that your end session whistle would sound off right after your first 10 push-ups. What you might not have known at the time is that push-ups are one of the exercises that work on your body optimally. Push-ups are easy, fast, and effective, and work on almost all muscles in your body. Although, many people think that push-ups are only for the upper body and specifically the chest, they are actually a whole body exercise. From your toes to your abs, right up to your shoulders and neck, push-ups have been proven to tone and activate every body muscle. Is your workout routine missing push-ups? Let's look some of the benefits, and hopefully, you will understand why you should be doing push-ups regularly. But, before we move forward, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Increases upper body strength. Doing push-ups will help you gain upper body strength in an accelerated and hassle-free manner. Since you are always bending your arms and lifting your entire body while doing push-ups, it is clear that no exercise would match up with push-ups when it comes to challenging and strengthening the upper body. If you switch between several push-up techniques, you will keep the muscles on your upper body guessing, increasing this exercise's effectiveness. If you are used to doing push-ups, you will notice your improvement in strength, especially on your chest, biceps, triceps, shoulders, and your entire upper back. Did you know that most of your day-to-day activities require the strength of your upper body? From carrying a bag of groceries, to picking up a child, or lifting a suitcase, the upper body is very useful. You can make these daily tasks easier by strengthening your upper body with push-ups. Don't settle for exercises that focus on a specific section of your upper body. Go for push-ups, and you will strengthen all your upper body muscles at once. Enhances core strength and stability. Push-ups work on not only your upper body, but also other muscles and joints. One of the total body benefits of push-ups is that they enhance the core's strength and stability. Keep in mind that the core does not only cover the abs. Every muscle in your midsection will be toned if you perform push-ups the right way. A strong core protects the delicate spine, improves balance stability, posture, and reduces back pain. There is no better way to improve your health and well-being than to engage and strengthen your core. You can do many exercises to achieve this. However, push-ups stand out in the sense that they target some of the uncommon muscles in your core, such as the multifidus and abdominis. Since the core is the heart of most body movements, you can make your life easier by doing regular push-ups to enhance the core's crucial roles. This exercise can eliminate the need for most of the activities you do in your gym to strengthen the core, and hence make your workout life much easier. Improves posture. The movements your body is subjected to when you do push-ups are highly effective in aligning your body parts and correcting improper posture. Here, you must first understand that lack of correct posture is significantly influenced by weak core muscles. If you follow the discussion on core stability and strengthening, be assured that you are already a step ahead in this. Fitness experts say that most muscles that support posture in the body are highly strengthened when you do regular push-ups. Additionally, when you do push-ups, your body will naturally and seamlessly lean towards the correct posture. Don't let improper posture compromise your comfort and well-being as you age. Start doing push-ups as early as now. Enhances testosterone production. Testosterone is one of the body's critical hormones. It controls most of the reproduction and growth processes in both men and women. As you age, this hormone's concentration reduces significantly, and hence your general body health will always clock below the optimum level. Research studies have shown that performing standard push-ups can significantly promote testosterone production, which in turn enhances health and well-being. Did you know that frequent push-ups also improve bone strength and density, and help reduce the risk of developing skeletal system disorders such as osteoporosis? With these benefits, it is clear that you cannot afford to miss push-ups in your daily exercising routine. Just spare 5 or 10 minutes in your daily schedule and do this toning, trimming, and shaping exercise. Unlike other exercises where it's hard to see the results, doing push-ups regularly will, without doubt, show very distinct results in a very short period of time. Don't forget to pair push-ups with other exercises such as bench presses, high or side planks, and rotational punches to receive maximum health benefits. Let us know in a comment how many push-ups you can do in one go. or how many times you can do push-up in a day. And don't forget to check out these 2 videos. Until next time.